Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can set up LLC in Alabama. So let's start. Now the first thing that you want to do is just click on the link down below in the description. When you will do it, you will get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing company which can help you create LLC. Now the first thing that you want to do is just simply click on LLC here. Now here you're going to see start your business with confidence. What do you want to call your LLC? I'm going to name it Stones Company. You just add your name that you got. Check availability. Now here you want to enter your state, and I'm going to write Alabama, and I'm going to click search. Right here, Stones Company appears to be available. I will just add here my email address and get my LLC. Now, when do you want to launch? Let's go with it soon, or if it's already running, or one day in the future, I'm going to click soon. Then just click continue here. Is Stones Company your first LLC? Click yes. Now, this is really important, guys, what I want to say to you right now. Plenty of people, when they are starting a business, they are focusing all the time on accountancy, how to create an LLC by themselves, and they're not actually focusing on a business. This is why LegalZoom is perfect, that they can help you ease your pain, I would say, and you can easily outsource it. So that's pretty much it. Now, what will Stones Company do? Let's go with e-commerce, or you can really choose the segment you are going to or like in a market that you are going to focus on. Let's click continue. Now, will Stones Company have employees in the first year? Now I'm going to click on no, but if you're gonna have employees, click yes. Then essential services for Stones Company. Yes, by law you will require a registered agent, and then you will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation, and like LegalZoom is going to take care of it. Now see essential services. Okay, so LegalZoom is going to offer you the registered agent. I recommend like going with it and continue with the LegalZoom. Now the first thing that you can like choose, the first is operating agreement. Is essential, is the constitution for your business. You can go along with that. But what I recommend, let's go back, is go with the complete coverage or operating agreement plus ein. There's like, you need to have it for file taxes and also open a bank account. But when you're gonna click on a complete coverage here, operating agreement, ein and licenses, I would click on it. Now, then you're gonna see services here, and then you're gonna see business services for Stones Company. First, you have options to have legal protect, and there's like independent attorney to help set up and run your business, and total compliance, stay compliant and protect your personal assets. So let's go further to see business services. The first one is the legal protect, as I mentioned, and legal protect is like, I'm going to move my camera now, right here. Legal documents, 30-minute consultation for legal advice on any new issue, plus access to our legal forms library. This is perfect if you want to have like further assistance creating your company. So you can click take my included trial or no thanks. Now when you got it, you're gonna see total compliance here. First you got a risk, fail to stay compliant, and you can be sued personally for acts. We got your back. We'll have to set up and stay compliant, taking care of annual report fillings and formalities, and peace of mind. If you miss anything, we pay the fine or penalty. This is perfect if I would like be starting like restaurant or something like that. I would go with a total compliance definitely. There's like 280 a year and it's not that much. You can go take my included trial or no thanks. Now when we go further, then you have option to choose actually the plans here. So the first option is to go with Express Gold or Standard or Economy. I recommend going with the Express Gold only because, let me show you, you get a 7 days a week, a lifetime customer support, get help when you need it. So that's like perfect if you're gonna choose that. And it's not a difference comparing to the Standard. And also it depends how fast you actually need to set up your company. So if you need it to like in 70, I don't know, in 30 days, you can go with the Economy. It's completely fine. But again, if you're gonna be faster service, it's gonna be in 10 days. So yeah, and you get like everything here. LegalZoom peace of mind review, LLC filing, tax saving analysis, all communications with Alabama Secretary of State. They will like solve everything for you. And then when you're gonna click like Express Gold here, you can also set up in a Bank of America, no thanks. And then what you have to do is just pay money. And that's it. So when I'm going to, you can also change the package here to like economy, update the order, and it's going to be much cheaper. And you can go with the economy, LLC. You can get also the welcome package here and operating agreement. You got it. Click continue checkout. and first name, last name, and you just fill everything here and you're good to go. You can also pay one payment on like 3 months, and that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. Thank you very much. And this is how you can simply start up LLC in your Alabama state. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.